everyone, welcome to Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. We're located off of Lake Superior. I'm Haley Johns, and today I get to show you the 2023 Keystone Hideout. It's the 179RB. Like always, we'll start on the outside, work our way on the inside, and then you guys can tell us what you think. So, this camper comes to us at just under 22 feet long. It's 21 and a half feet long, I believe. Just under 4,000 pounds, dry weight. So it's a nice, small, but large on the inside. Wait until you get on the inside and see how much larger the inside is for such a smaller, lighter camper. Stairs that go all the way to the ground, which are fantastic. Nice, great big grab handle. Single axle. Oh, I always forget to give this a good shout out. So you get an outlet on the outside, so it's really handy as you're able to run maybe that waffle maker in the morning or the pizza pizzazz or whatever it is that plugs in. You could do your coffee outside. Underneath that awning, we didn't put the awning out. There is a little bit of wind today that tends to pick up quite heavily, so we didn't want to do that. So on the back side, you do get a spare tire, which is great. It is prepped for a backup camera, also prepped for a Lippert ladder as well. Walkable roof, which is great. That is your cable plug in there. And moving on around this side, there is your, well, this is going to be your plug-in. So what's nice is it's got like a retractable cord. So when you go to plug in at a campsite or whatever, you don't have to deal with cords and accidentally leaving your house without your cord, and then you get to your campsite and now you're running solely off of the battery. So your black tank and gray tank, your black tank pull is on the right hand side, gray tank pull is on the left, but it all comes out the same hose, which is great. This camper does have one slide. You'll see how much bigger that inside makes this look. There's your city water and freshwater connections. There's the other side to that pass-through storage. Fantastic. This is a solar plug-in, so you're able to plug in an extra suitcase or briefcase solar panel if you have those. Does come with battery and your propane tank, which is fantastic. We will fill that for you before you leave, amongst letting you have an orientation or giving you an orientation with one of our techs on how to run your awesome new camper before you head out. So let's go on inside. Nice solid steps are really, or those ones aren't the Solid Step brand, but it's a brand that goes all the way down to the ground. Nice solid feel to them. So starting out, you have a nice large open area in the bedroom side of this camper. So you have areas down in here. You do have an inverted outlet. So if you were to purchase an inverter, you'd be able to switch over from battery power to, 12 volt to 110 power, which is great. So if you have a CPAP or something like that that you need to use, you'd be able to do that. A little more off grid. That is your wardrobe area. Now there is storage underneath the bed. I'm going to lift that up so you can see quite a bit of space. All that space helps when you're in a smaller unit. You want to be able to put all of your things in places. So there you are. Oh, hey, here's the comforter or the blanket. Sorry, I didn't put that out. Your bracket location, you're mounting for your TV, which is great. Now on into the kitchen or the dining area of this camper. So what's wonderful about the amount of space that's in here, first off, you can fit a kitchen garbage in there. Woo! Everybody celebrate that, because a lot of the times in these smaller trailers, they'll cut that space off and then you don't have that room for that kitchen sized garbage. So that's fantastic. There you do have your sink. You do get a 2-burner stove, which is great. You get your microwave, more storage up above. Of course, you get a nice tune station. What's nice about that is you can have it inside, or you can also bring it on outside under that awning and jam to your tunes out there. drawers, drawers. You do get a decent sized fridge. Furrion does a great job. Look at this freezer. Oh, you can fit pizzas in there, and fudgies and ice cream and all of the good things. I think Jim mentioned on a previous video about the butterscotch dilly bars. I prefer cherry, so cherry dilly bars all the way. If you prefer cherry dilly bars, put that in the comment below. Or if you're with Jim and you like butterscotch, put that in. And who likes chocolate? I don't think anybody really does. But moving on to camper world. Okay, not camp. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. The world of camping. Storage. Okay, this is going to be a little bit tricky because I don't. So storage underneath, lots and lots and lots of space, which is very, very helpful. I'm going to move these down. It's really not that hard. I know a lot of people always say, well, you got to move the cushions. They're really lightweight. It's not going to take that much to move these out of the way. It's just a little harder if somebody's sitting there. Look at all that space. That's a lot of storage. Sometimes there's other components to the camper that are in that area that make it a little bit hard to access, or you don't get as much space, which is really challenging. Okay, moving on into the bathroom. So being that this is a rear bath, which is what the RB stands for, the bathroom is the entire width of the camper. So not only do you get space for your shower, which is, by the way, quite tall. Look at, I can touch it, but that's a lot of space between my head and the top here. Lots of ample space in front of the toilet, so you have sitting room, and even if you have really long legs, you have space to put them because this bathroom is the entire width. You get a lot of storage under here. Great place for towels and other such things. Now, as a lady, I love the amount of counter space that is here. You could put all the things that you need, sunscreen, maybe bug dope, or tissues, or all those kinds of things, face wash, your toothbrushes, all that kind of good stuff can go inside the cabinet, but this counter allows for you to be able to utilize the space quite a bit better, which is great. So once again, this is the 2023 Keystone Hideout, the 179RB, and my name is Haley Johns. If you'd like to work with me on this unit or any other unit on our lot, give me a call. My number is 218-740-4997. And as always, I'm willing to go the extra mile to help you camp in style. Have a great day, everyone.